Hello people, I wanted to explain to you how to fix one of the errors, because if you want to install Acronis Backup, there are some extra files which you need. I will show to you, because I had to install that file, and you sometimes get error message like that. Actually, I haven't I haven't explained it to you. One of the modules is important. If this module is disabled is being disabled, an error may come up. But because I installed, I don't get that error. Run as administrator. Sometimes when you try to install Visual C++ runtime installer, you get a strange error. To be honest with you, you need that library to be able to run Acronis Backup. Because without a third-party library, you will not install this. But in order Visual C++ to work properly, you will have to have one of the libraries. I will check that file. Okay, let's check this, because I didn't show to you what I meant. I really wanted to show to you one of the errors which you can fix. Hopefully this will come up in a minute, so I can quickly give to you solution how to bypass that error message. Uh, oh yes, we got that error message, error 1935. If this error comes up, you can enable Windows Modules Installer. Actually, this is called the TI Worker. It was causing high CPU usage, but you can temporarily turn this on, but make sure it is set to demand start. You don't have to set to automatic startup. You can manually turn this service on, because if this is enabled, you can install Visual C++ library. Hopefully this error will no longer come up. I have to check, because but make sure this is running. Or you can see we fixed that error message, but I didn't have 32-bit library, so I can install it as well, because if you've got 32-bit programs, you will need that library as well. But because I'm using AMD Ryzen and Windows 10, I think no one is using in modern days computers operating system which is limited to 4 gigabytes of memory. But you can also, what is, aha, so we already installed it. What about that one? I have to check if I installed it or not. Okay, if you want to check if you have all libraries installed, you can go to all programs, or but because I installed additional software like OpenShell, I can quickly go to control panel. programs and features. We can scroll down by mouse button to check if we got all required libraries. They are necessary to run all types of programs. The newest one and all programs which are based on Visual C++ runtime library. I hope you like my video tutorial.